Alrighty, so what you're going to do here is you are going to use the model, add the shaded parts as shown, then write a number bond with the total written in decimal form and the parts written as fractions. The first one has been done for you. So in the end, you need to come up with an equation looking like this and a number bond looking like this. I will walk you through B. Okay, so first let's count how many boxes are shaded. And remember, the shaded number goes on top, the numerator. So how many boxes are shaded here? 1 and 2. Okay, and how many boxes are there total? Big boxes like these, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 2/10 meters plus, let's count the next level of shaded boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be your numerator, okay? The number that goes up top. And if we were to count these many boxes in each single box, remember 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, that equals 100, okay? So we have 2/10 meters plus 4/100 meters equals, well, let's count it. These are 10, so we're going to count 10, 20, and these are essentially going to be 1. So 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? And then we're going to go based off how many there is total. So if we count again, these many boxes in each single box, it's going to be hundredths. Okay? So 2/10 meters plus 4/100 meters equals 24/100 meters. We need to write this in decimal form, and that is 0.24 meters. Now we need to break it up into a number bond using fractions, and that is super simple, you guys. It's just these fractions right here. So if you split it down the middle, the 2 is the 2/10. Okay? And then if you count this side, it's the 400. And that is it. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing here using these shaded parts. Okay? Let's go ahead and move on to number 4. On each meter stick, shade in the amount shown. Then write the equivalent decimal. Okay, so first we need to shade, then we're going to write the decimal. Okay, so how many boxes do we shade in? 8. Okay, my tool, I'm going to use a line, and that'll act as my shade. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is that in decimal form, you guys? 0.8. Okay, and you'll do the same thing here. 7, be sure to notice the denominator, okay? So when it's tenths, you're going to shade in the whole box like this. But when it's hundredths, you're only going to shade in 7 of the 10th in the box. So a way to make it easier on you guys is just to write 7 out of 10. Okay? I will go ahead and accept that. Okay? Because this is acting as if there are 10 boxes in each box. And again, that equals 100. And how many is shaded of that? Only 7. Okay? Now, this one is interesting. Okay? We have 1900ths. What I suggest you guys do is always break it up in the middle. Okay? So how many whole boxes do we have shaded? 1. Okay? So I'm going to shade this whole box like this. All right? And then how many of the hundredths do I have shaded? Only 9. Okay? And let's go ahead and write that completely. 9 out of 10. Okay, you guys? Now we need to be sure to write this in decimal form. So what's 700ths in decimal form? It's 0.07. Okay. What's 1900ths in decimal form? It is 0.19. All right. Now, last question. Number 5. Draw a number bond, pulling out the tenths from the hundredths as in problem 3. Write the total as the equivalent decimal. Okay? So, we're creating a number bond. Okay? I'm just going to do letter A for you guys. Okay? Because we did the number bond in problem 3. So, what do I suggest you guys always do? Break it down in the middle. Oops. Oopsie daisies. There. Okay? Now, how many on the 10th side do we have? We have 1/10. Okay? How many on the 100th side do we have? We have 9 hundredths. And what does that equal in decimal form? It equals 0.19 meters. Okay? Super simple, super easy, but if you guys need help, I am available during those conference hours. Just check out the 4th grade schedule. Okay?